Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, YouTube, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to another load of waffle. And all I want to do today is have a very quick chat about stuff that I want to do with this channel. And a big shout to anyone that's got any ideas, and a massive thank you to everybody that has subscribed to my little channel. It really does mean the world to me that there are people. And on some videos, thousands of people. I did one video, Linden Hill, it's like 5,500 views. That's mega, and I hope people enjoy it. That's not why I do it, because I get a penny out of this. Not that I want to get a penny out of it, it's just for fun. But I'm really glad that people like it. But I've made some, not investments, I mean I suppose the biggest investment is this camera, which is quite expensive. GoPro Hero 12 Black Edition, whatever it is. But I have bought some other stuff. I bought another camera with the idea being that you should be able to get some footage of me riding the bike, looking back at me, and then some other footage of me riding down some lanes, potentially if I find somewhere suitable. Oh, postie, what if he's got my number plate? Don't know. Oh, mind the gravel. Yeah, potentially me chucking a camera somewhere at the side of the road and getting some video of me going past in one direction and riding in the other direction. And what a lovely day for it. But the main thing will be, I'm going to try and edit it, which is something I've never tried before, because my editing involves me pressing start, pressing stop, anything in the middle of those two gets posted. But I might try and actually make it a little bit fancier. What do you think? You think it'll be worth it? Because I do enjoy doing this rubbish. Where should we go? Should we go straight over? Let's go straight over. That's a little lane. So yeah, I'm going to do that. There are more bikes coming in the Trading Up series. The first two are done. The first one is sold and gone, the R1100S BMW. The second one, which I don't know if this video will be out before the videos of me doing the bike. If the videos of me doing the bike are out already, you know what it is. If you don't know what it is, then I don't want to spoil the surprise. But it was quite a good one. It was fairly hard work, I've got to say. Not too bad in the workshop, but you wouldn't have wanted to do it anywhere else. You know, you wouldn't want to do it out in the open or whatever. So that'll be out soon. So I'm now currently, as I film this, on the hunt for bike number 3. What would it be? No idea. Oh, I stopped here the other day when I was doing a quick walk around of bike number 2 in the project series, because that's the lane I knocked myself out on the DRZ. Yeah. Anyway, that's not the story. But that's another video. Go back last summer, about this time last summer. Yeah, 3.5 minutes unconscious on the floor. What a day that was. So there will be more trading up videos, and I have got my eye on a motorcycle that I quite fancy. And it will take a few bikes. This isn't going to be 2 or 3 bikes. This is going to be a few bikes, unless I get something that I make a particularly reasonable amount of money on. And I might have to start not charging mates rates, because the R1100, I gave that away for mates rates to a mate. And very similar with the other bike, there is someone who wants it for a very good price. I should really stop doing that, and I should really start asking proper money. But I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it for the money. I'm doing it to buy a bike, which will be a free bike, if you like, because all it's cost me is my time and my labour, which is what I enjoy doing. But that is a few bikes down the line, quite a few bikes down the line. That might even be next winter, you know, if not next year. We're just coming into the summer of 2025, so that could be 2026. But potentially something brand new. I've got two bikes that I'm looking at. Haven't ridden either, but potentially that. If I chuck a bit of money towards it, I don't mind, because then if you think if the brand new bike has cost me a couple of grand, whoa, what a great day, eh? Where should we go? Let's go towards Ham Street in Tenterden, shall we? The other thing I've bought is I bought a proper microphone. What's that, a proper microphone? I run my GoPro through a wired Purple Panda lav mic, which is just mounted to the inside of my helmet. Seems to work okay. I have cut the wire down on this one, and I noticed the other day there's a couple of crackles, so if it's crackling, I do apologise. I might have to go back to the massive great 5 metre lead tucked into the lining of the helmet. But I have bought a wireless mic, and I'll be using my mobile phone, which is in there at the moment charging. I use my mobile phone for more stuff when I'm in the workshop, and I will clip a mic to me, so you should better hear me. And the other thing I've made a decision to do, big decision for me, is I'm actually going to appear on the camera. So you are going to get my ugly mug more than that much of it. You will see me and who I am, which is a bit of a step up. So that's the plans. Anyway, there will be more over the bumps, Olins, you're failing me. There will be more riding videos. There will be more waffle. I'm off to the ABR festival. I'm going to take this. I'm going to put the Krauser panniers on it, load it up with luggage, massive great tent, and I'm taking this. I'm going to park it amongst the GS's. Yeah, that's my sort of little sense of humour. Some of you might love GS's. I don't mind them. Horses for courses. You know, I had a multi-strider, which is the better version of a GS, if you like, for me. You know, everyone's individual. If we all like the same bikes, the world would be a very dull place. But yeah, I'm gonna do an ABR video, going with a couple of mates, and I am hoping to get to Europe. Well, I say Europe, we've got a day trip to France coming up in May. I'm about to show my favourite road sign. If you follow the channel, you know what it is. I'm a 50 odd something bloke, and that makes me smile. Oh dear, my poor wife has to suffer with that. So yeah, there will be more riding videos, which will just be the usual waffle, I think. And by the time you see this video, I might be over 1,000 subscribers. Oh, gravel. 1,000 subscribers. I remember only getting a couple of hundred and thinking, well, actually, tell a lie, I remember hitting 50 and being absolutely staggered that 50 people wanted to watch my drivel. So if you're one of the people that subscribes to this channel, thank you, thank you, thank you. It really does mean a lot to me. I know it sounds a bit daft, because this isn't the real world. This is YouTube. This is chucking stuff on for entertainment, and some of you obviously find it entertaining. You're mad. But hey, what can I say apart from, yeah, as I say again, thanks. It is appreciated. Oh, the garden centre's all done up. I can't believe the garden centre now. Oh, that is an old man thing to say, isn't it? Anyway, right, I'm going to crack on, go for a beautiful ride on the RS, and I'll see you all soon. Take care if you're riding. If you're not, enjoy watching shite like this. Take care, everyone. See you soon. Ta-da.